So in this video, I'm going to discuss the sort the subarray problem which occurred in today's not lead code, it's CODEFORCES challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. So the problem is very simple. It is given that you're given two arrays and you have to modify this array, the first array, into second array by sorting the first array between a range. Okay, like if I sorted between 2 to 5, so let's say 1 2 3 4 5, so if I sort this portion, it becomes 3 4 4 7, right? So see, the modified array is 6 3 4 4 7 6 5. So this is the modified array, right? So this is, you have to find the the leftmost and the rightmost limit for which after sorting this array becomes this. Okay, the main goal of this, the another condition that is given in the question is you have to make this difference, that is the subarray, as long as possible. So the very simple thing behind this is you have to check. Okay, let's say you're given an array A and you're given an array A bar as mentioned in the question. So from the left you have to check the first element where A of I and A bar of I differs. Okay, so let's say that is the position L, and from the right also you have to do the checking, and where A of I and A bar of I differs. So if it differs, it is not equal to. So if it differs, then this becomes R. And you have to check that if I go on traversing towards the, sorry, let me focus it once, sorry. So now you have to check if we go on traversing towards the left of L, if the whole sequence is still, okay, if the whole sequence after traversing through towards the left, if this whole sequence is still in ascending order, then you can make L minus minus. And if traversing towards the right of R, the whole sequence remains in ascending order, then you can make R plus plus. So I think this becomes a little complex. So let me make you understand this with this example: 6 7 3 4 4. Okay, 6 7 3 4 4 6 5, and the modified array should be 6 3 4 4 7 6 5. Okay, so what is the first element that differs? This. And what is the last element that differs? This is this, right? So this is L and this is R. Very simple. Now check towards the left. See 6. So if we, like this one is sorted. So if we go towards over here, is 6 lesser than equal to 3? No, it's not lesser than. So we have to stay at this position. And also over here, is 6 greater than equal to 7? It is not greater than equal to 7. So we have to stay at this position. So what is L? It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So L is at position 2 and R is at position 5. So we return 2 5, right? See, we return 2 5. Now this thing is very interesting: 1 2 1 and 1 1 2. So 1 2 1 and 1 1 2. So what is the first element that differs? That is this. So this is L. And what is the last element that differs? This is R, right? So you have to check over here if the position before that, is it lesser than equal to? Yes, it is lesser than. So I can shift L to here. Okay, and we can go on doing it until this condition satisfies. And also over here we can go on doing it, but since this is the last element, so for so this L is pointed over here and R is pointed over here. That is the first and the last position. So 1 3. So see 1 3. Okay, and for this also 2 2 1 2 1 2. So this is very much valid that this is L, this is R. But as I said, that is it lesser than equal to? C, is it lesser than? Nope. So we are not going to shift L. So this L remains at 2 and R remains at 3. Okay, but this condition for this R thing, I think it will be better if I make you understand. So let's say it was 1 2 1 3 and this one was 1 1 2 3, right? So what is the first element that differs? This and this, right? This is L and this is R respectively. Now check for this, is it greater than equal to? Yeah. So R now points to over here, that is R plus plus. And for this check if it is lesser than equal to, yeah. So now L points over here, that is L minus minus. So this is basically the explanation that I was thinking of telling you guys. So this is how the code works. Like, I'm not giving you the code. So this is the how the logic works basically. So that's it. I hope you get it. Thank you.